Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 5.6 question number 3. Name each of the following triangles in two different ways. You may judge the nature of the angle by observation. We already know that a triangle can be named by two ways, by naming of triangle according to side and naming of triangle according to angle. Right? Here we will to the both way, right? That is according to side and according to angle, right? Here you see this question you see, right? Here you see that this is a triangle. It has 8 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 5 centimeter. That means this side and this side is same. That means two sides are same in this triangle, right? 5 centimeter and 5 centimeter, right? Two sides are same, and here you see two angles are same. This angle and this angle is also same, right? Right? Now you see that this is 8 centimeter, this is 5 centimeter, this is 5 centimeter. That means according to naming of sides we can say that here you see the two sides of the triangle are same, therefore it is known as isosceles triangle according to side. Naming of triangle according to side, that it is known as isosceles triangle. It is known as isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle, right? This is our, right? It is known as isosceles triangle. Now you see that by observation you can say that these all the angles are acute angles, right? Therefore you can say that according to naming of triangle according to angle, it is known as acute angle triangle, right? It is one, this is A and this is B. It is known as acute angle triangle. Acute acute angled triangle. Acute angled triangle. Right, this is acute angle triangle. Here you see that two sides are same, therefore it is known as isosceles triangle, and according to angle all the angles are acute, therefore it is known as acute angle triangle. Now question number B. Question number B, you see here this is 17 centimeter, this is 15 centimeter and this is 8 centimeter. That means all the sides of the triangle are unequal, right, or different. Therefore, you can say that it is a triangle according to naming of triangle according to side. It is known as scalene triangle. It is known as scalene triangle. It is known as scalene triangle, right? And according to angle, you see here that this angle is 90 degree. This angle is 90 degree. This angle is 90 degree. Now, in this triangle, one angle is 90 degree, therefore it is known as right angled triangle according to naming of triangle according to angle. It is known as right angled triangle. It is known as right angled triangle. Right angled triangle. right? Therefore, here you see that is it is 17 centimeter, 15 centimeter, 8 centimeter. That means all the sides of the triangle are different. Therefore, it is known as scalene triangle. And since one of the angle is 90 degree, it is known as right angle triangle. Now, question number C. Question number you see here that this is 7 centimeter. This side is 7 centimeter and this side is 7 centimeter. That means in this triangle two sides are same. According to naming of triangles, according to side, it is known as isosceles triangle since the two sides of this triangle is same. Therefore, it is known as isosceles triangle. It is known as isosceles triangle. It is known as isosceles. It is known as isosceles triangle, right? And also here you see that this angle by observation is found that it is greater than 90 degree because 90 degree will be like this. But you see this angle is greater than 90 degree, therefore it is known as this is 1, this is 2, this is question number 1 on naming of side and this is 2. Therefore, the name of this triangle is obtuse angle triangle. Why? Because one of the angle is obtuse angle triangle that is more than 90 degree. Therefore, it is known as obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse. Obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse angle triangle. It is known as obtuse angle triangle. Now, question number D. Here you see also that this is 10 centimeter and this is also 10 centimeter, right? Therefore, you see here that the both the sides are same. Therefore, you can say it as according to naming of triangles according to side. It is known as both the sides are same. It is known as isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Right? And also you see that this according to angle we can name the here you see this angle is 90 degree. And if one of the angle of a triangle is 90 degree, it is known as right angle triangle. According to angle, we can say it as right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Right? And according to side, it is known as isosceles triangle. And according to naming of triangles according to angle, it is known as right angle triangle. If we mix these to 1 and 2, we can also say that is it is we can also say if we mixed both, it is known as right isosceles triangle. Right. If we name if we mix the two, that is right isosceles triangle. Right isosceles triangle. Right? Now, next is question number E. Question number E, you see that this is 5.2 centimeter this side. This side is also 5.2 centimeter. and this side is also 5.2 centimeter. That means all the sides of the triangle are same. Therefore, if all the sides of a triangle are same, it is known as equilateral triangle. It is known as equilateral triangle, right? Therefore, we say write as equilateral triangle. It is known as equilateral. Equilateral triangle. Triangle. It is known as equilateral triangle. And also, you see, it is known as equilateral triangle. And also, you see that all the angles are also same here. This is 60 degree. This is also 60 degree. And this is also 60 degree. Right? All the angles are 60 degree, and you see here that these all the angles are less than 90 degree. Therefore, we can say it as acute angled triangle. Right? We can say it as acute angled triangle. Here I am writing here. That is number 2 naming. It is known as acute angled triangle. Acute angled triangle. Angled triangle. Right? Now we'll do question number F. Question number F is, if you see here, this is 9 centimeter, this is 10 centimeter, and this is 15 centimeter. That means all the sides of the triangle are different or unequal. Therefore, we can say it as scalene triangle. We can say it as scalene triangle. Scalene triangle. This is a scalene triangle. All the sides are of different length, right? And angle, you see, this angle, if you observe that if we draw a triangle like this 90 degree, it is greater than 90 degree, right? This is 90 degree, but the angle is greater than 90 degree. Therefore, it is known as obtuse angle triangle. Therefore, it is known as obtuse angle triangle. It is known as obtuse angle triangle. Angle triangle. Obtuse angle triangle. Right? Once again, we are repeating. Here you see, that is, name each of the following triangles in two different ways. In two different ways means naming of triangles according to side and naming of triangles according to angle, right? Number one is, here you see that both the sides are same, therefore it is known as isosceles triangle, and all the angles are less than 90 degree, therefore it is known as acute angled triangle. Now B, here you see this is 8, 15 and 17 centimeter. Therefore, we can say that all the sides of the triangle are different. Therefore, it is known as scalene triangle, and one of the angle is 90 degree. Therefore, it is known as right angled triangle. C, it is 7 centimeter. It is 7 centimeter. That means two sides of the triangle is same. Therefore, it is known as isosceles triangle, and one of the angle is greater than 90 degree, which is known as obtuse angled triangle. Now, question number D. Here you see that two sides are same, therefore we can say it as isosceles triangle according to naming of triangles according to side, and one of the angle is 90 degree, therefore you can say that it is right angle triangle. But if we mix the two name, then you can say also right isosceles triangle, right isosceles triangle, right. Next, question number E. Question number E, see all the sides are same, therefore you can say it as equilateral triangle. And the angles, since all the sides are same, therefore all angles will also be equal, that is 60 degree, 60 degree and 60 degree, right. Therefore you can say it as acute angle triangle. Acute means less than 90 degree. Now question number F. Question number F, you see that this is 10, this is 9, this is 15, that all the sides of the triangle are different, therefore it is known as scalene triangle, right. And you see that this angle, if you observe that this is greater than 90 degree, therefore you can say it as obtuse angle triangle, right. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share, and also press the notification bell so that you may get the uploaded videos immediately. Thank you everybody for watching this video.